guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Atoma say emeki meni me to bi mejo bi memu lo nwa o gba wa ya gbe we no ya go viral esa ga wa ya go viral aso agile eye begwe this Sonia ole Morocco o sabu yi no le Morocco do bi yiwe iju we no le Nigeria no yan yiwe o sabu yi because no le Nigeria ni responsible no egbe sabu yi no le Morocco do mwe Sonia wa you o wa fit we e Sonia na no mo ya bo ya gbebo le webo ohun yan ya ke foundation Sonia foundation ni foundation gbo agbon we ma ti we ma take foundation wa we ya ke foundation won ya ra na go no wa ya ra na go ayi ogwe ni ma dia ya agwa e go bi are ba wa yi now my people e Sonia na owo Sonia no mani wa ya si a no gole tu benwa. Ite mo no de Sonia TikTok no. Sonia. We azu on TikTok. Video on TikTok. To we wa. Let's be you with Facebook. Ya don't know magbu. Na we mind. And very soon this is just the beginning of your saga. A picture is you mo ira o gbe wa. Ya do kun ya la dia. The Facebook na do gba o so wa. Sonia ole Morocco no go small boys no ku yakara. Sonia ole Morocco ne small boys ho no ho a. Igbe aga no ho. I show we not come back on Facebook. Now TikTok they go to relax. Single mother, you say you be married woman, you go date TikTok till 3 o'clock in the middle of the night. 3 o'clock in the middle of the night. Sonia, they're going to win and then they're going to ye. Oba say human trafficking must stop. If I bomb la like me. Then la like me, Sonia. Sonia, if I put time, I put la like me. Ona him no ya mi agbadia. The TikTok. Una ya sari for the neckbook bene. Ni rewebo. Who ya asinya ko TikTok. Ya mayo na asiye boroko e. Obiane kedimie wo dego wa mosera wa yeme. Opa no ya dane ori figa ori yunu. Obiane kedimie wo dego wa mosera wa yeme. Opa no ya dane ori figa ori yunu. Eriugi ume atitinu governor gome. Uma miega segbe anega atitinu gome o. Yes, Sonia, you know say with the forbidden for kuno cigar. Sonia, e cigar ma bon. E bi etna kunya kwa kuno cigar. Sonia no wa so di biagia. E cigar ma bon ni ko si ama ewe Morocco no waru we. Okwo ba kwa ye. U de mo ko yi social media. U agbigban. We no na SLS. U wa de mo ko yi. E mo ko. U de mo ko yi social media. U azedo wo ye dokin. Ari kori o wa ni lo wa zuo ni lo wa do because of no wa do yan ti ari o konwe for good 3 o'clock in ason we ti ni reti talk e chena we ti talk yan wa ati kwa ki agbon but what I think hello yeah, I did live video. Anything? Okay. Oh God. Who didn't want to get off with me water? Yeah, you. Anyway, me want to know what bali va de gbegbe. Me ma go balance me gbegbe. O se gbegbe. Isi oluku. Who didn't want to share nation? Oh God. Oh, who am in of you? That is who didn't want to share nation. Oh, I don't my drink. Yeah, what? Yeah, what? They want to move out so. Yes, I got it. If you have the water, we go. From last year, now we want to saga this woman. Somebody pleaded on behalf of her. This Bear Zanzan talk show, what is so? Now one woman named this platform Bear Zanzan talk show. One woman named author that was Bear Zanzan. Now they open Bear Zanzan talk show. One day I will bring that woman picture out. She is the mother of Bear Zanzan talk show. This platform where they so called Bear Zanzan talk show. Now one woman mentioned that word when I opened this platform. Bear Zanzan talk show. No another person. For TikTok, that they call her, let them say. When I know her for TikTok, now be let them say. Why and Facebook they now Bridget Omoruji. 2 years ago, when I do saga, you understand? I call to talk about one show, one program, where we say the thing touched her. You understand? She can't call me. When she call me, as we talk, she can say one open like your platform. She say one open live video. Or we work live video, what to buy for us Zanzan. I want to buy us Zanzan. I said that thing. I say, eh? What buy us Zanzan? Oh yes. Then that's good. When I was so, then we work a platform. We work a platform. We call you. Now what to buy us Zanzan? Now I have to buy us Zanzan. Where? Didn't hear a platform itself. Get what here best Zanzan. You know, that's a very good idea. I watch a best Zanzan talk show. I will hear one work clear. I want bring Zanzan when I will be good. That was how I put this platform, Best Zanzan talk show. When this woman, when I hear that TikTok, I see the way this woman they misbehave. They useless for TikTok. Any small thing, they care. You go just gather those useless women. They go to talk rubbish. But I can't try to investigate this woman, a married woman. Then they talk like this for TikTok. You was who TikTok now. When I go no my neck be. Or what we doing? I can't look up. As you know, this woman, you have your body woman. Huh? Last, you think you are still welcome to Bear Zanzan. Now you have your body woman. Huh? Immediately, I can't see that let them say, for this woman platform, which is Bridget, I can't say for this woman platform. Now I can't call her say, mama. Okay, let me talk about now. One woman here is Sonia, Ngole Morocco. Of Morocco. And the woman called the Debila. And I say, woman is a very nuisance. She did the costume nuisance for TikTok. Or I'm going to go by here, water. When I go to the better water, I think the animal small boys, yard, do I call it, do I go anyhow? On our way, Lao, from Lao. You know. That woman can't beg me. I go say, okay. I would watch her. I was watching her closely before I could enter TikTok fully. On the beat Enogi. They beat all these useless women for that TikTok. All the frustrated Asha were there for Facebook, all of their own. When they see that they bring out their adulterous issue, come on Facebook, they could go hide for TikTok. One woman did TikTok now where carry boy, he get baby from France. Where you don't really talk about. Carry boy where you know for TikTok. Go lodge for hotel for France. Where they come the fucker with children for house. And he get husband. When you kulo say, awa kulinya wana. Gege edede ne gwemu. Ale de ho. Ale gbe akene gbe gwa e Europe. Ye ya gbe for. Let it go na ye ya bie. Yanya no we dey farm. Yanya no we dey snow near snow ato nya e woto. Especially some single mother in Germany. Yeah, on the 28th, Akweno, social paying. E here application we yasi le semo. Semo me toki yo wa. No digma declaro. Ya the resla. Give me the resla and the ganja. Me I want jogodo. I want to feel that my brother. I want those jogodo. It on I was sick man. I want ya back here. We no sonya here you. E sonya I was sick man. I want ya back here. Ora backbo. Igban ok bi asset si. Igban na gripa e obi ni ma no go fit carry that kind igbo for hand time. E sonya I was gba ye wo. Oh, you go like money, you go area, you go there. There's a bigger two. It's only was a signal got me no rowa. It's only a go worry. It's only big dog. Just go wala na go. A police here, fire brigade, water brigade, rain brigade, sun brigade, they are very big. And I go to work here. While see over a Morocco is smoke, the Sonia Siwowa. E Morocco ne Sonia si wowa. O wo ba me no na gbasena ona mo wowa. How can you imagine if a mother like this, an old cargo, old tele yele kute like this, go carry igbo dey smoke for TikTok? Tell me wetin your own daughter go learn from her. Tell me wetin your own son go learn from her. If she can be bold enough to carry a ball, they come and they smoke for live video. They teach which message, waiting people they benefit from in our own platform. I want to know what is the benefit, what will be the message which they use a platform to send to their door at large. Blessed CEO talk to the women, they raise their ear like opener, and they are the same people. Blessed CEO we are talking about. They are the same people who their parents did not train well. Their parents sent them to Europe for prostitution. How can a mother like this light Igbo Morocco on live video, smoking after prostitution, after a lot of frustration in her life, as she passed through in abroad, sent by her own parents? When you tell them, they go say it's a short woman. If they bring women down, who are the women? Women who does not respect their parents, women who does not respect their dignity, women who does not have respect for their children. They are all for their selfish interests. They are living for their selfish interests. They have no respect for their kids. Even though you are a single mother, you have to respect your children. There's something in Morocco you know I see a live video. And you expect men to respect you. How dare you? Nobody can talk to them. Useless set of women. You know a lot of children on TikTok watching you people, seeing the atrocity people are doing. What kind of stupid and non-entity of what am I? Look at this idiot. No, Tina. How many years on TikTok can be insulting your own brother, insulting your own father, insulting that stupid man got you pregnant out of wedlock? No soon with the never over. Really responsible woman. Look at your nose. Oh, I see where you were. Or you do the overbreathe. Now I bet you are going. Is this fancy? A fancy nahina. You call yourself a mother with two beautiful daughters in the house. You become a nuisance. You listen to yourself on TikTok. Why scream you keep away? Why scream you keep away? Who want boji? Idiot, useless women. I'm not telling them what because they pain you for body. The truth they pain your body. Now me by myself. Before when I go carry the Ebola commas, I brought it out myself. I'm bold enough to say, then the child will have I get Ebola, I get Ebola, I get Ebola. No need when I go stress on myself. No need when I go they use and they threaten me again. You didn't feel so. I can't say and make me look. Use and do pillowcase. As far as I may bring that comment, nobody like present that goes through now. Print down a large jar for house. Put them for your you know do your pillowcase. They use and they sleep. You're supposed to be grateful. Say you feel see Ebola. Not for you to come out. Come they sort your part, they sort your man. Now what bear you are going? You see that Ebola live with you forever for us. You know what happen? Why you not get a husband for us? Why you turn a single mother? When we be them, you don't be them. When we be them, you don't be picture that you born. Because we make young boo or that we no one. No mind anybody. Every other view born. Imagine man a Sonia ma ivia do e TikTok. Bila evekia, e don't know okay, e can ma dose, e don't rubbish things. Nonsense things that doesn't make sense. Nonsense things who doesn't even contribute to the economy of the country. After months frustration or day you were being Waki Foundation, Sonia Foundation. We might take digging now. We might take the foundation 2 flats. A 2-bedroom flat. You talk. Why don't we foundation? Foundation. People don't serve abroad. We want to contribute to the foundation. Wow, why frustrate me? Why take foundation? Foundation. Foundation. Beautiful. Look at what people are saying. But this woman on is getting too much on TikTok. Our Jesus, now she be the ambassador of nuisance for TikTok. The ambassador of nuisance. Oh, why Sonia? This rap thing now where girls just say stupid so. We have to see our platform. There are many like that. If you find useless Benin women for TikTok, go on your platform. Useless Benin women. If we go to Europe, we are going to TikTok. We go against the platform Sonia. Oh, why are we here? Can you know what's well? Can you know where we can go more? I mean, Mugu. Network Ben we are frustrating the TikTok, the Europe. A Sonia platform is in can you see that? Can you see a shish? A platform Sonia, and I'm here. I walk by him. Or when you know where we. Oh, where ye, Sonia? Oh, what way? Oh, yeah, I was where where zoo are about Fiaculi with no soon. Oh, Sabu, what about us? Are you going? Why are you going to Morocco? Why don't I hear the TikTok? What can another person in Nigeria? Oh, Sabu, you don't Morocco. Don't we dwell it young? Okay, your real mother is Sonia. Sabu you know Morocco. Don't you ever say claro? What say claro? You have you don't all you enough ashish gwe. Enough ashish. Enough wrestler. Wow, my book bangole bingole the way. Only no you don't hear what to talk. No mind it be. Only yak because only women already. These women of the if you make Benny book away. When you live, depression. What's simply depression? If they are frustrating you, they have no place to stay again than TikTok. They can't stay for good 2 hours without talking. They must come up, enter TikTok. Once they come on TikTok, all these frustrated women who are also inside will still join them. If you want no woman where you not get husband, 3 o'clock for night, enter TikTok, you go see our place, so their platform. If you want no man, we don't frustrate useless Benin men. Some of the useless Benin men, if you want to know them, come on your TikTok. 3 o'clock for night, you go see them there. Those are lazy ass old women, men we know they walk. They go to find women, they go for TikTok. Where they want to condemn their life. Go see one, don't give woman belly now. You don't dump the woman. You don't deceive the woman and give her belly through TikTok. Through this TikTok, wajina. Through TikTok. I think by the Magbada, I think for super central, here the TikTok. Here I'm going to do ticket in here. I'm going to fear ticket in here. If If you are not a stupid woman, oh, where we are the whole way, who you go with the ticket in there? Who no not get sense? I don't get it. God, so I don't know when some of our women go wise for this kind of error. Who are you go with the tickets? No, below the young way. Who way what? Who way bo? Who way bo? Egbo gidi ogwo at this ogo. We are not going to be responsible. No, we are whether good or bad, or the ticket to boy. Don't worry, the gift go away. Don't worry, you know, you are surprised way. All the ticket away, go and come. Go and come. It's only a central. Oh, we have the ticket. One equal. So one is who wanna come, eh? Yeah, walk upon a for activity, body. This was on a coin. No, go tell wise. Every time I'm going to cast in a mogo. Oh, no, no, there's one guest says for once. How you go there, woman, with your special pussy? You go see buy ticket, woman, house sleep with you in joiner. Maybe my come see last you join your own thing, your own gift. When God can bless you. When man go there, need dance, say, Auntie, give me la, oh, yeah, la, oh, mama, give me a beg. I'm not worried if I dey come out back. At least we know that year. With the surprise women, with the bad gift, tangible gift, the surprise women. They make the woman, they make the woman fall in love with you. Nowadays, now woman the surprise one. Now woman don't buy gift, the man just to come lash you, just to come scratch your pickles, just to come scratch your mama, because that mama don't expire, because that mama don't make laga, because that mama don't make logo, I see logo, I see la, I see lobo, I see lele, I see blah. Yeah. Go and integrate yourself. Go and work on yourself. Believe in yourself. Know who you are. Know your worth as a woman. Don't be a stupid. Women are supposed to know their worth. No matter how we flirt rich, we still know women will be say we know the user and follow person play. If you want to see my you buy ticket, you want to see your boyfriend, no problem. This one your boyfriend. Don't be say anytime the man they call your house, you got single mother they do that thing for Germany where single mother for Germany, not be all some. They can cut Flixbus ticket, then with Flixbus now 5 and 6. Single mother, some single mother for Germany and Flixbus now 5 and 6. Or more. Or let's say that man, now your boyfriend, your genuine boyfriend, you know say he not get. You yourself don't know say my guy not get. You know when your guy they receive salary. You know how much your guy they receive at the end of the month. If your guy still gets, you come and say, honey, I need something. Now once, sometimes they don't even ask you. You don't even to ask him. Real man, we're really ready to take responsibility of woman. That's the reason why you see all these women where I sleep with, they call them misbehave. You understand? Because you don't expect me. I want to congratulate you for us. I say, give me tickets. I can't do that. I don't understand what they do. I don't know how they train some people. I don't know how they train some people. I'll come meet you for us. I come greet you. I can say, give me ticket. Or if I want to come out, I can say, I think babe, if you get ticket with. Are they crazy? I don't understand. Because even if I want to come out, I'm supposed to bless you as my babe. Because your pickles sweet. Only day inside your pickles. That's why they call you honey. Oh God. I do my drink. Wonderful. You don't feel me so? It don't be like all this they with this talk. All these frustrated women. These are the women who spoil our boys. That make other people that we call it our boys are lazy youth. Our boys and boys they get strength. But some this frustrated women, they spoil our boys. They be man go take care of woman. Or can I why? Me there. Now so they take train as we pour this for our family. My father they give my mama money for every market day. Oh, I will go there. Oh, I'm here kid. Every me I go this me I no live. My all if I this me I live there my years. Baba sort of bomb. any one school bien not be 6 days woman. One school bien, or be 6 days woman, all it can be school bien you burn all the body of the school bien go pale. You know, when they warm the soup, they want black soup, the black soup come turn to white soup. Oh God. Now we shop her. Nowadays, because we're there abroad, TikTok wahala. You go just see boy for TikTok, you fall in love. You go the mix. Ordinary man, just my cap. Just the cap where you don't see her. Una nipple just stand. A Sonia, a nipple can be moved up. In breast we don't rest. People so that never rest. The breast don't rest. And so where are they nipple frank? Where are they cap frank? A nipple get one more. A nipple Sonia maybe you remember moved up. It's just shaking. Sonia. Ya, arrête de c'est quoi? On va tenir bobo. Gag boge de Morocco si webe. Uri wenya na restaurant na ngamo ti bien palo. Uri don. Because of Morocco. Because of Morocco. Sonia. Who la there live video? Who gbegban? Who asibu? When we what example, good example as a good mother are you going to teach your children? And I'm watching in my mommy's video. Let me go and watch what my mommy is doing on live video today. When you go to live video with your friends, hey guys, let's watch my mommy. My mommy's on live screen. Let's watch my mommy. My mommy's on live screen. My grandma's on live screen. Let's go and watch grandma. When they reach the grandma, say, "Oh, that gay." I don't know what took you with that gay. Well, my sister. You know, queen, la queen. You know, queen. La send that my lady. Salogwa. Igbana odeyo. Igbana odeyo. Igbana odeyo. Call mommy. What is there? Any grill. My way discuss it. I make na mu la bien ge. My way the magwan kan. Well, me mo bogun are sagani auni. So kuma gbanu. Zeve no na ya sunu vege ni no ge omona ge bless you. We no ye boge bless you ya sunu. We no ya gun yo ge bless you. You do ge. In oya gun yo ge bless you. This. Mommy. I'm married then I go there. And now what I will do, one can get over do marking. We don't consign on every morning. I'm a ball, it's you see now. Any yaya Jana well. And I'm not with the guy, I'm young well. You're to boy young, you to boy one in the Calavian. Anything. Yeah, ekuni la. Ati e bon na le comment section. Zeze yinya le comment section. Zeze yinya eriyanji. Eriyanji le comment section zeze yinya ye ekuni. Your pikin they watch let's see what with the friends in schoolmates. They want to see what they want to do for TikTok. Your man carry igbo, they smoke for TikTok. Happiness is free. I have my life to live. Live your life well. It's true. Happiness is free. It's true you have your life to live. Live it to the fullest. Not to use it to destroy other happy people's life. Live it in a way that you will not also destroy other people's life. Because you are a social media, whatever. Social media is go smoker. Have the man as people that want to start, that will learn how to smoke it go through you. And so that and so that you down on my why I say I. You go le Morocco. Ne Morocco wa mo agboria le webo. We are a panel where they Morocco, you know, I say Morocco. Sonia, if not because of abroad, we are Negua. We are a panel where they Morocco, you know, I big boy panel. Who that walk up here? Was that gonna maya? Yamu where they would bashawo. Yamu where they would tell you. No respect for your family anymore. No regard for your family anymore. If people are when that fears for the father and the mother that gave birth to you. Who don't see them on zoo or no matter where I see I. We are playing voice records. I bet no verse. And if ever you go come out, wag bell wag boom. Tina Ekita, you went to assume. Mabu one on TikTok in Mabu wa. You know, Okada do you have a bonwa? Are you my plaster? A money man be useless set of women. Look at them. You see them on TikTok, they become a nuisance.